Good morning, fifth graders. So today we are going to be finding distances using ordered pairs. So we're going to look at this problem right here, and we are only going to do the highlighted ones that we are looking at, what we are going to find with those ordered pairs. So I'm going to go here. Remember, we always talk about going over first with my X and up with my Y. So I'm going to go over 5 and I'm going to go up 10. I'm going to put my dot right there, matching my color that I have. My next one is my green one. I'm going to go over 6. So I'm going to start at my 0, 0, over 6, up 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put my circle there. Okay, same thing we've been working on, making sure that we can find those spots. Here I'm going to go over 3, but I'm not going up at all. It's over 0. And my last one that I have, I'm going over 4 and I'm going up 8. So things you just got to remember is every single time you are finding those ordered pairs, you have to go over on the x-axis, whichever way it might be, and then up to find it. So we are going to look at now, I'm going to move this in a little bit, is we are going to look at distances. So when I look at distances right now, I have all these goofy colors here with different lines on them and different lengths that we are going. We are going to look right now from the distance from school to the museum. And when we look at that, I have found 1, 2, 3, 4 different routes or ways that we can get the distance of these two ordered pairs. So we're going to look right now, and I have here route 1 is going here and up. That is 9 squares. Remember, a distance is 1 square equals 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I counted wrong. 10. Actually, this one is a 10 square. I better fix that, huh? So if this is a 10 square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one is also a 10 square. Uh-oh. What is happening with all of our distances right now? Route 3, I took a little stair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And for our last route, I went over 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you can see with this, however you get there, you are going to get the same distance away from each other. Doesn't matter if I go my little steps in here or if I go big steps down the road this way when we are looking at this. So today you are going to look at a few different distances with those ordered pairs and see if you are able to find them. Good luck.